Here's a popular myth. According to some moon landing skeptics, they would say, look at the shadows when referencing the Apollo photos to prove the missions were filmed in a studio because the shadows don't all point in the same direction. Which sounds convincing until you remember how cameras work. The sun was the only major light source on the moon, and because it's millions of miles away, the sunlight hitting the lunar surface is essentially parallel, and if you could view those Apollo scenes from directly above, the shadows would line up almost perfectly. So why do they look different in the photos? It's the same reason railroad tracks seem to meet in the distance. Perspective can make parallel lines appear to converge toward a vanishing point. And the moon isn't a giant flat parking lot. It's covered in craters, rocks, and slopes. Even small changes in elevation can make shadows look like they're pointing in different directions in a two-dimensional image. So no, the Apollo shadows don't expose a Hollywood set. They behave exactly the way you would expect from one distant light source, the sun, shining across an uneven lunar landscape. So sometimes the biggest conspiracy isn't a cover-up. It's forgetting how perspective and cameras work.